You may already have seen a snail, but have you ever wondered that if the environment is not suitable, it can sleep for 3 years? Some land snails can sleep for up to 3 years in hibernation or aestivation, where hibernation means winter sleep, while aestivation represents summer sleep. Snails need moisture to survive, so if the weather is not cooperating, they escape the environment. And when the environment is suitable, they tend to sleep in between a period of 13 to 15 hours, and then they remain active for next 30 hours. Have you found this information interesting? Comment in the comment box. And thanks for watching.